Alright, YouTubers, this is another video of Transformers Revenge of the Fallen Deluxe Class SideSwipe. Now here today, I'm going to just show you the figure, the Deluxe Class figure SideSwipe from robot mode to vehicle mode. Because I know like how sometimes people, they be like showing the vehicle and then they be showing it in like robot mode and stuff. But just today, I'm going to show you how to put the figure in vehicle mode. And he transforms into into a Stingray Corvette concept mode. Alright, so I'm gonna just show you like a few details on this figure. On the side, he has, on the left side, well technically right side, he has the Autobot symbol, and he's got like wheels for legs. So like in the commercials, like they showed him in action, like driving around and his legs and stuff like that. And he's got swords like this. Let me show you. If you can see, you can do it on both arms, but I'm just showing you how it is more or less like. Alright, let me start transforming him. You put his arms in, like that. You flip off his feet, so you flip the sides. You go. Flip this part up real quick, and in the back, he's got like a silver piece, and you flip that right there. You move the legs like that, and you move it up. Move this to the side, and you move it up as well. And you see, you can connect this part, but I'm not gonna do it like right away. But yeah, and he's got the hood. Let me just show you like this. You just flip it out, like you extend it like that. There. And you see, you got the front hood mostly so far. And just to hide his head, you just put the back part. You just lay it out. So you got the back part going on there. Well, I'm not even supposed to even close this part in yet. I'm supposed to extend this out first. There. You close this in. There you go. You got the front part of the vehicle. Okay. Now for the arms, what you gotta do is you flip them on the side like that. You see? Then that's more or less how it is. Now if you can see, he's already transformed into a Stingray Corvette. For my opinion, I like it. Like, I give this figure a 4 out of 5. Like a 4 out of 5. Like, from my point of view, like, I think it's like a very like good looking Corvette. It's nice silver. The windows are blue. It's like the first of this model type's kind, I guess, because I've never seen any Corvettes looking like this. But overall, it's like a pretty cool figure. Like, I think they made a good choice of putting like a nice, like fascinating like type of car. And if you can see, like in front, it's got the symbol, the Corvette symbol. And that's just about it, I guess. Overall, it's like a cool figure. And I ordered the Optimus Prime, the leader class. It was supposed to come in today, but I ain't even hear UPS or nothing like that walkthrough, so I gotta pick it up tomorrow. And in the package, I got the the bios and the information of SideSwipe, and it says SideSwipe Autobot. SideSwipe was built to fight. He's a sleek, fast, and single-minded in battle, focusing on his enemy with absolute attention. His blades are shining blur as he leaps through the air, twisting to avoid enemy fire, converting from vehicle to robot at blinding speed. He uses every trick in the book to get close to his opponent and put his powerful swords in work. Alright, so these are pretty like high class robot soldier to the Autobot side. And his strength is 8, his intelligence is 7, his speed is 8, endurance is 6, rank is 5, courage is 7, fire blast is 3, skills is 9. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So yeah, this is a video of SideSwipe, and this is Amka Lowe's 21 signing off.